Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to make the invisible decrease. And the reason why we're learning how to make invisible decrease is because sometimes when you are making the decrease, you will create this big loops on your amigurumi. So today we're going to solve that problem. All you need to do is to only work on the front loop when you are making the decrease. So only the front loop here, you're going to leave the back loop alone. So I'll just show you how I do it. Front loop only decrease. So by doing this, you are making the hole smaller. Only work on the front loop. It's much tighter, as you can see right here, compared to that decrease right here. The hole is much more smaller. Here you go. You can see the differences. Using that invisible decrease will make the hole smaller, so I highly recommend you to do that. And it does give you the amigurumi a better look. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. For more amigurumi beginners tutorial, you are very welcome to check out my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.